Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Place. So let's start our current affairs of August 8th and 9th, 2021 from today's importance. So on this day, All India Congress Committee session in Bombay conducted on August 8th, 1942. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi launched the Quit India movement, and it is also known as August movement. Remembering the legends who refused to give up, this day is celebrated as Quit India Day. And going to the current affairs, the first question is, who among the following has elected as Executive Director of Asian Maritime Body Recap? The options are A. K. Natarajan, B. Musafumi Kuruki, C. Nadeem Osaka, and D. None of these. The correct answer is A. K. Natarajan. Regional Cooperation Agreement on Combating Piracy and Armed Robbery against Ships in Asia, formed in 200 years, headquartered in Singapore. And the second question is, Shankar Subramanian passed away recently. He is renowned for which of the following sport? The options are A. Cricket, B. Hockey, C. Football, and D. Badminton. And the correct answer is C. Football. Two times Indian Olympian footballer Shankar Subramaniam passed away. He was India's goalkeeper during the 1956 Melbourne and 1960 Rome Olympics. And the third question is, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is renamed after which of the following? The options are A. Milkha Singh, B. Dhyan Chand, C. Mankaur, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Dhyan Chand. It is renamed after Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award renamed after hockey great Dhyan Chand. First awarded in 1991 to 1992, the prestigious award carries a prize money of 25 lakhs. Dhyan Chand was born on August 29, 1905 in Allahabad. And also 29th August is celebrated as National Sports Day. He earned 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. Major Dhyan Chand was also known as the Wizard or the Magician of Hockey. Government of India awarded Chand India's third highest civilian honor of Padma Bhushan in 1956. And the fourth question is, ISRO is all set to launch an Earth observation satellite on August 12th. And the options are A. EOS 1, B. EOS 02, C. EOS 04, and D. EOS 03. And the correct answer is D. EOS 03. Satellite will launch from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota. And the fifth question is, which of the following organization is launching e-cycles in association with the Hero Electro Cargo in Hyderabad? And the options are A. Zomato, B. Swiggy, C. Uber Eats, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Swiggy. Under the pilot project, e-cycles will be rolled out in August 2021 itself. And the sixth question is, which of the following countries' Mangdechu hydroelectric project has been awarded Brunel Medal? The options are A. Nepal, B. India, C. Bhutan, and D. Sri Lanka. And the correct answer is C. Bhutan. Bhutan's Mangdechu hydroelectric project has been awarded Brunel Medal. Brunel Medal awarded by the London-based Institution of Civil Engineers. Brunel Medal is historically given to major projects and organizations across the world. Mangdechu hydroelectric project HEPP is a 720 megawatts runoff river power plant built on the Mangdechu River in Trosangsa, Zongkag district, central Bhutan. The Indian government funded the project through a 70% loan and a 30% grant. India approved a revised cost estimate of $602.7 million for the project in 2016. The construction of the Mangdechu hydropower project began in June 2012. The hydropower project was officially inaugurated in August 2019. The Mangdechu hydroelectric power plant has a 101.5 meters high concrete gravity dam. And the eighth question is, who has left the post of non-executive director of Vodafone Idea? And the options are A. Kumar Mangalam Birla, B. Ananya Birla, C. Neeraja Birla, and D. Aditya Birla. And the correct answer is A. Kumar Mangalam Birla. Kumar Mangalam Birla left the post of non-executive director of Vodafone Idea. And the ninth question is, who is the author of the book titled Balakot Airstrike, How India Avenged Pulwama? The options are A. Krishnakant, B. Indra Nooyi, C. Ravi Shastri, and D. Manam Bhatta. And the correct answer is D. Manam Bhatta. Manam Bhatta is the author of the book titled Balakot Airstrike, How India Avenged Pulwama. And the 10th question is, which of the following organization keeps the GDP growth forecast for financial year 2022 unchanged at 9.5%? The options are A. World Bank, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. Asian Development Bank, and D. NABARD. And the correct answer is B. Reserve Bank of India. And the 11th question is, which of the following university has recognized as the district green champion? And the options are A. Punjab University, B. Delhi University, C. Chitkara University, and D. Osmania University. And the correct answer is C. Chitkara University. This award is given by Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, and Chitkara University has recognized it as the district green champion. And the 12th question is, which of the following state or union territory launched a campaign Pani Ma for the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission? And the options are A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Delhi, C. West Bengal, and D. Ladakh. And the correct answer is D. Ladakh. And the 13th question is, who is the author of the book titled The Biography of Failed Venture? The options are A. Prashant Desai, B. Krishnakant, C. Mohan Chaturvedi, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Mohan Chaturvedi. Mohan Chaturvedi is the author of the book titled The Biography of a Failed Venture. The 14th question is, which of the following bank has signed an MOU with National Fisheries Development Board for the extension of financial assistance to fisheries sector? The options are A. Punjab Sind Bank, B. Punjab National Bank, C. Indian Overseas Bank, and D. State Bank of India. And the correct answer is B. Punjab National Bank. And the one-liners are, Emma Terho has been elected as chairperson of IOC Athletes Commission. The Rugby League World Cup has been postponed until 2022, whereas England is the host. Ryu Singh Min elected as Vice Chairman of IOC Athletes Commission. Central Board for Indirect Taxes and Customs has launched compliance information. James Anderson overtakes Kumble to become third leading wicket taker in tests with 620 wickets. Whereas Muttai Muralidharan is at the first with 800 wickets in 133 matches, and Shane Warne with 708 wickets in 145 matches. And INS Khanjar becomes first Indian Navy ship to call at Heritage Coastal Port of Gopalpur. Tribal Cooperative Marketing Federation of India celebrates its 34th Foundation Day. Poland's Jan Krzysztof Duda has been crowned the 2021 Chess World Cup champion. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.